everyone. I hope you all are doing well this beautiful Monday morning. My name is Dev Karlekar, and I welcome you all at Guru Schools. Thanks for investing your time. Today, we have a session on Tableau Business Intelligence Visualization Reporting Training course. It's an overview introductory session. Uh, the visualization products, Tableau being the big daddy amongst all, they're getting popularity with every single day as for their easiness and for their popularity and for the robust reporting mechanism. This is one of our top five popular technology training course, high in demand. Reason being easiness to learn and does make six-figure. The prerequisite, well, it's a functional technical skill. So really, all it requires is English speaking skills, comprehending English while talking to the users, understanding their requirement. If you have prior experience working in reporting as a super user, or some SQL, that's a huge plus. Otherwise, nobody learns in mother's womb, right? All it requires is an open mind, basically, fire in the belly, willingness to learn, and aspiration towards seeking a career working in corporate America. Okay, let me give you a brief backdrop about Guru Schools, www.guruschools.com. As the name suggests, it's a modern marketplace in the form of the ancient Gurukul or the ashram ecosystem. Okay, the 21st century's Gurukul is in the form of Guru Schools, which is a virtual offering. Okay, so we are using best of two great nations. One is Bharat, India. That's where we have 1.4 billion brightest of the minds. And the second country we are using is the USA, 22 trillion job market. And when we combine these two great nations, magic happens in terms of business opportunities and in terms of scalability. Okay, we strongly believe at Guru Schools that knowledge and education is one thing that once it comes to you, it stays with you forever. And knowledge is something, by sharing, it grows multifold. So what we do at Guru Schools, well, we bring world-class information technology education to ambitious people such as yours by giving you a good blend of theoretical as well as practical knowledge. For many, if not all, those who have some dated old platform skills, this would be a good experience towards retooling yourself, upskilling yourself, learning new things, unlearning old unwanted things, and relearning what is important. This helps you to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of information technology in corporate America, and also adds value towards shaping your future career. Okay. At Guru Schools, what we do, we are in training, we are in consulting, we are also in off-site and offshore outsourcing development. We are primarily known when it comes to training for our 6 pillars. Okay, what are those 6 pillars? I mean, unlike dime a dozen training institutes who are there to basically rob you for your hard-earned money and throw some videos or give you some links and then they're vanished, right? So unfortunately, no one is really focused on shaping your career. Everybody's there to rob you. And plus, this expensive training does create chaos and scares you off that, you do not want to take that leap. So what we do here as a part of our 6 pillars, they're more focused on the career employment focused job placement offering. Okay, so what are we looking at? We are looking at training is a subset of the holistic offering which we do. Okay, the end game is to make sure with our 6 pillars you secure a project and we continue giving the project support for the initial 4 to 6 months to make sure you settle down, learn the ropes, and then you are on your own. So the 6 pillars are, the first pillar is about 6 to 8 weeks of training course, right? Which is a good blend of theory as well as practical project work. We have several projects going on, so depending upon the NDA signed with the client, some of these projects will be a fertile ground for your learning. So you learn the reporting. After the first pillar, if you attend at least 75% of these training courses, these are all instructor-led training courses, runs 3 days a week, 2 hours each. Before every training session, there will be a reference videos given, a reference articles given, which you need to go through, and 2 hours of interactive training, and then post-training there will be a homework given. Okay, so I would say about 2 months of training is what you are engaging in. If you attend 75% of these training courses and have a satisfactory report card from the trainer, you gradually moved into the second pillar, that is, you'll be part of the graduating student ceremony, course completion certificate, okay, which will say, you satisfactorily completed the Tableau business intelligence reporting training, right? That adds value. I mean, something you can write in your resume, on your LinkedIn profile during your interview and things like that. The third pillar, which is very important, the Indian Home Minister 2 years ago famously said, "Dikhta hai wo bikta hai." People will buy what they see. Okay, so reference ready resume preparation, ensuring your resume has all the bells and the whistles and all the required skill sets which are required to help you get a job. So that's a reference ready resume preparation, okay, which engages your marketability, increases your candidature to the Fortune 5000 clients as well as the global outsourcing partner. After this third pillar, the fourth pillar is vendor interview preparation, right? Because we have been engaging with all preferred vendors, primary vendors, tier 1 vendors, the Indian outsourcing partners for the last 21 years. We're existing incumbent suppliers, so we know exactly what they're looking for. They trust us, they know us, we know them. They're basically engaging you because of, not you, because of the ecosystems which Guru Schools offers. Because they all are multi-billion-dollar outsourcing companies, they are publicly traded companies, they are there to make 40-50% gross margin so that their stock goes up and there is a value to their shareholders. And they don't mind hiring a trained resource or a junior resource, provided that person gets the ecosystem of what Guru Schools is offering in terms of project support, basically, so that you don't behave like a suicide bomber and drop the ball, right? So very important. We know exactly what they will be looking for and what to talk, and we walk that talk. The fifth pillar is the end client interview coaching assistance. So again, because of 2 decades of experience, we have placed consultants across the corporate America. Many of these projects are either through our direct clients or through these implementation partners or tier 1 vendors. So they help us, they tell us the ecosystems because they want you work there, because hiring someone like me, lateral hire, they won't be having any margin left, but hiring you, they will be having a fat margin. So they are more preferred to place you than a lateral person like me. So that helps towards knowing what the client environment is, what they are looking for, and with the help of our subject matter experts, they're going to help you prepare for the interview. Okay, that simply helps you to crack the interview. Mere cracking the interview, getting a job, it's like battle half won. Then comes the day-to-day grunt, right? You have to perform every single day, the initial month or 2. If you don't, they'll flush you out, right? This is where most challenges comes in. Nobody gives that helping hand in your initial days of your project work. So the last pillar is project placement and ongoing project support. Okay, up to 6 months we give you that support, and then practice makes you perfect. Like as I said, nobody learns in mother's womb. So like we have learned crawling, walking, running, bicycling, motorbiking, driving car, cooking, and then doing that redundant job again and again, that hones your skills. Same thing is the any IT work for that matter, because 80-90% is redundant, is repetitive, right? And the other 10-20%, there is something called Google or group learning, or the trainers will help you to sustain. Okay, so these are the 6 pillars. 6 to 8 weeks of training first. Second is 10% of our earning back to various community causes to both these great nations, USA as well as India. Now, apart from the Tableau business intelligence visualization reporting training course, we also have several training tracks, and we also have several practice areas. In no particular order, I would like to mention them. Agile Scrum Master, Android iOS development, big data, business analysis, other business intelligence visualization reporting tools like Qlik, Power BI, Snowflakes, and all. Cloud DevOps, front-end UI, UX, design and development. Informatica Cloud ETL data warehousing, Java full stack microservices development, MuleSoft integration, .NET full stack microservices development, Oracle NetSuite ERP, functional technical course, project management, Python data science, robotics process automation, also called as an RPA, Salesforce administration, Salesforce development, Selenium QA automation testing, Workday human capital management, HRIS. We have also expanded last year into pharmaceutical, healthcare, and also manufacturing, mechanical engineering space. We offer courses like biostatistician, clinical trial data management, SaaS clinical, validation quality management, SolidWorks CAD/CAM engineering design, and few other courses. Now, most of these skills are consumed by the corporate America, right? The Fortune 5000 firms are looking for these emerging and these high-in-demand technologies. There's a huge scope to build your career on some of these skills. Most of these IT technology training tracks, except Agile Scrum, is for at least 6 to 8 weeks. The duration runs across weekdays and weekends, at least 3 days a week, and then weekends becomes a practice session revision. These are evening tracks, 7 to 9, 8 to 10, 9 to 11 Eastern time, depending upon the availability of the students and the trainer. Weekdays is very rigid in terms of timeline. Weekends are flexible, morning, afternoon, evening, because if the trainers have more time, and so does the candidates, right? Now, as I mentioned before, or you might have seen it, these trainings are free training tracks if you're looking to work through us on our projects. Okay. Otherwise, you can always spend $2,000-3,000 for mere training, but mere training doesn't help. Rather than only taking training, go on YouTube. There are so many videos you can learn. It's an ecosystem. It's a system which you have to fall in line. Okay, many of you are not vendor with these tier 1 companies or vendor to the direct client. You may not get the top dollar amount. There is less and less of full-time hiring, more and more consulting because of the pandemic. So because we are already preferred vendor, it's an easy plug and play to get you a job. Okay, and this will be free with all the bells and the whistles, the 6 pillars, if you are looking to work through us on our project. Okay, it's kind of our way of basically investing in people. Okay, there is a phrase in Hindi, Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. Okay, to help people is divine. So that's what we are embarking on as a serial entrepreneur for 2 decades. That's my way of investing in people. Thereby, basically, we are helping corporate America too, right? In terms of reducing the unemployment. Okay, we're also product partner for various products. So basically, this helps many of you towards getting yourself certified for that particular technology track. This is over and above our training certificate which you get. Needless to say, now you're getting certified by that particular product company. Now that has a better accreditation, and that goes a long way towards adding a feather in your hat. Okay. We work with various healthcare, primarily because we are based in New Jersey, with many healthcare, pharmaceutical, mortgage, financial, telecom, as well as manufacturing clients across the USA. We also work with about 20 plus universities across the USA in terms of the foreign exchange student program for their graduate school, as well as their website design development, content development, and helping them in other affairs. In the tri-state area, we also have over 100 clients, if not more, who are kind of small, mid-sized clients, say hotel, motel, restaurant, event management firms. We help them with their website design development, digital marketing, the promos. And the reason they use us because, basically our cost-efficient model, because most of this work is done by my offshore team, and many of this serves as a project to you. So that helps you to teeth in the real-time project, something you can write in your resume. Okay. These are difficult times. Okay. COVID-19 pandemic basically decimated the global economies, including that of USA. 500,000 people died, which is unfortunate. Millions of people have lost their job in this great nation, and it has a ripple effect across the globe. It's very depressing, right? You look around, every person whom you know, someone's family have lost a job. And in these depressing times, I guess somebody has to rise up to the occasion in terms of trying to give that helping hand and do the level best towards helping people, and also helping corporate America, right? Because that goes a long way towards reducing the unemployment and getting our economy back on the track, right? I mean, at an individual level, neither Biden, Harris, or Modi is going to come and help you. It is us who have to do it, and some of us who are empowered must do our own bit. Okay. I also strongly believe in every adversity comes the opportunity. So the bright side of pandemic is all jobs are remote. Okay, those who are looking to kickstart their career, you're not going in the lion's den for an in-person interview or every day. You are chilled in your home office, working from home, and you're taking help of the trainer, and you know how to survive and sustain. So in light of falling budgets, in light of layoffs and not hiring too many full-time employees, more on the contract, and that contract rates are getting comparative. For those who are looking to have a career, it's a great opportunity to slide in, right? Because anything above zero is good. Lateral people may have to swallow that bitter bullet in terms of rate reduction happening. I see that across my lateral employees. But for those who are looking to start their career, you can be in your comfort zone and sitting at your home, and you can apply for basically any nationwide jobs, because all nationwide jobs are remote. With a precondition, post-pandemic, you may have to work on-site, which we don't know. We are unique. We are unique in a way because, as I said before, you'll see most of the training firms are there mere to rob you of your hard-earned money and throw some videos and then they're gone. Nobody walks that extra mile to ensure that they place you on a job and to give you that project support. That's the key. Okay? The key is not to throw some videos and go. No. The key is to help you get a job and help you sustain in your job. So we are one of that few companies who's really making that difference in terms of ensuring, using our 6-pillar offering, not only you get training, but you secure a job and with the help of subject matter experts, you sustain your job also. Okay, because these efforts are more focused on your career guided, employment oriented IT training. Okay, so because they're more focused on shaping up your career, it helps you a long way to ensure you get a job and sustain your job. Right, in today's session, I see a good number of you have joined. As I said, this is our introductory overview session. Okay, it's like a movie teaser, trailer. You get enough about what you're getting into, right? So what we are going to do in 6 and 8 weeks, you're going to see in the next 1 hour. Now, the 6 weeks of training, after 6 weeks of training, then that vendor interview preparation, client interview preparation, the other association, that's an ongoing basis, right? We hold your hand until you get placed and you settle down your career, right? So we are with you. It's not only 6 weeks and we are done and you are flushed out. No. You will be part of the WhatsApp group, focus groups. You will be there, a lot of interaction, a lot of group learning. The good thing about group learning is, as now we have a number of people. If each one of us have one idea, then as a group, we have a collection of those many ideas, right? Nobody loses, everybody wins, everybody adds up. So basically, that's a benefit of group learning. Okay, so you will be part of the focused Tableau reporting group, where along with the trainers, subject matter experts, and along with the fellow team members, someone will be, more experienced than you, lateral person, someone will like you, someone will be 1 or 2 notch below you, and then as a group, you keep learning, right? Somebody has an interview, everybody tries to help somebody, because while doing so, you are learning, right? Somebody else has a project issue, you try to help. While doing so, you are learning too. And the same thing happens to you, right? So once the session is done, we'll have a question and answer. You get an opportunity to talk to the trainer. It's a question and answer round. We'll also do the FAQs because we're doing this for long. So in general, what people asked, we simply tabulated those questions and we'll answer it to you. But if you have any additional questions, don't be a stranger, don't hesitate. Please take this opportunity to ask. If you are still shy, you can type your question or send us an email at training@guruschools.com or inquiries@guruschools.com. We will have our team answer that question for you. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 days a week. That includes today at noon. We have a candidate career counseling session at noon. Okay, noon to 1. So people such as yours can join those sessions too. And you'll get an opportunity to talk to our trainers, not one trainer, but a couple of dozen trainers, and they'll talk to you in terms of having a consultation. So we are our career counselors, we have our trainers, the HR, talent acquisition team, and they talk to you one-on-one, okay? Because that helps a long way to ensuring and to clearing your doubts. And then we put you in a focused candidate prospecting career guidance group, WhatsApp group. There you're seeing some communication happening. And then, because some of you are not comfortable, and as you're comfortable, people start enrolling. That's what we have been doing. So we have a group in which you'll be ported in. If you want to get added, again, send an email at training@guruschools.com or inquiries@guruschools.com. Mention I'm so-and-so, this is my number. Please give your WhatsApp number and please say, add me in this candidate career prospecting group, and they'll be more than happy to do so if that's not been already done. Those who have to leave early are working. Recorded of this session will be posted on our YouTube page, LinkedIn page, Facebook page, and on our website. I suggest you please subscribe us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, because once you subscribe, basically the data and the information is fed to you. So anytime we post any public videos, and many of these are public videos, you will get a notification. Okay. Today's our subject matter expert is Aditi. Aditi, she has hands-on experience working in IT industry. So she is basically a Tableau visualization reporting analyst, as well as she's been doing training. So she brings this dual skills to you in terms of real-time work experience as well as corporate training experience. Working in a global environment, because she has worked not only in the Indian environment, but also, helping European as well as US clients. So that broadens the horizon, and that goes a long way towards getting that learning from her. Okay, so I welcome Aditi. Thank you all for listening. Aditi, all yours. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the nice introduction from your side. Hello people, Aditi this side, Tableau trainer at Guru Schools. So, I have the extensive reporting tools experience whenever the reporting tools are concerned. So, in mind, we'll have the reporting tools where we can work on the data, where we can convert the data into the important decisions, where we can convert the whole data into the business growth and how we can generate the revenues. Fine. So in throughout these presentation, we're going to cover about Tableau, what are the career opportunities will open for you after enrolling for the Tableau, and what are the more career opportunities and more career path will have in front of you. So as you can see, I have extensive reporting tools experience with reportings and dashboards, business and data analytics, business intelligence, and business growth decision makings. Like most of the organizations have the bundle amount of data, ample amount of data, but we are the person who are converting that particular data into meaningful information. Fine. Most of the people are saying that the data is the new oil, the data is the new asset of any organization. So we need to take care about a data like it's a very important asset, and we need to convert the data into a meaningful information. So we're going to cover the whole these concepts as you can see in here in the Tableau software. So if we talk about the Tableau job market and salary, especially in the US, so as you can see, this is the short screenshot of the Indeed. So in Indeed, as of now, if you search the Tableau jobs in United States, you can see that more than 21,000 jobs are available as far as the Tableau are concerned. And if we talk about Tableau, then there are many profiles in Tableau. Like you can work as a analytics, data analytics, business analytics, as a business intelligence analyst in any organization. But what you need to do is you need to just cover one technology, one software in which you can see that how you can convert the data into meaningful information. So as you can see, Indeed is one of the site where you can see the opportunities for you in the Tableau job market and with the salary aspect. If we talk about Career Builder, more than 3,000 jobs available for the Tableau. Fine. If we talk about LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a huge social media platform where you can see the corporate related information. And if we talk about LinkedIn, it have a more than we can say 20,000 plus 20,000 recent Tableau jobs in United States. Why there are many job opportunities? Because each and every organization have one thing in common, and the thing which is common is data. Each and every organization have data. Without data, like we can say that without the data of customers, without the data of material, without the data of vendor, any organization, like we can say no organization can run, right? So in the same way, that's why there are many job opportunities out there when it comes to Tableau or any business intelligence reporting tool. Why is it so? Because after enrolling in it, you will work on the data. If we talk about DICE in here, you can see that 1,000 plus job opportunities you can see in United States as far as the Tableau software and Tableau related jobs market are concerned. And it not only this, it have a huge market capture in all over the world. If you want to switch your position, if you want to switch your place and want to do jobs in some another country or location, not only this, you can work remotely as well. It's a total the software which you can work from anywhere. That's why this is also a very plus point to have a huge market capture in the Tableau. So if we talk about industries using Tableau currently, the very famous industries, it has first of all 50,000 plus customers right now. The Tableau have 50,000 plus organizations using their services, using their softwares to convert their data into meaningful information. to convert their data into meaningful reports and dashboard so that they can take their decision in a one go. Fine. If we talk about Google, if we talk about Cisco, Deloitte, Audi, Coca-Cola, Sky, Pepsi, these Adobe, these are the biggest organizations as you can see, and all of them currently are using all the reporting and business intelligence tools. And if we talk about Tableau, most of the organizations in here are using Tableau and in a very good manner, and they are hiring a people in a very lot basis as well. Why is it so? Because as far as Google is concerned, they have a lot amount of data. And if we talk about Google, there are many departments in there. So if we segregate the single department, and if I want the whole information about the particular department, so what I'll see just the simple dashboard of that particular department. And to make this reports and dashboard, we are going to learn in this throughout Tableau course. This is the beauty of this course in here, and these are the companies you can see in here using Tableau currently, and these are a very limited companies you can see in here. But as you can see, we have 50,000 plus customers already Tableau have. Big MNCs to small medium business, each and every organization prefer to use Tableau as a software for their business intelligence and their analysis purpose. Now, the very important question in here, why should you learn Tableau? Currently as well, if you will search on the Google, like what are the top BI tools you need to learn for 2021 to make yourself ahead from the persons out there, you will see the first point in here, the first software in here, which is Tableau. Okay, so there are many more reasons behind it. If I'm like saying all of you that Tableau is a software which is very important, used by multiple MNCs, multiple countries, and have a huge market capture. Why is it so? Because it's a user-friendly and very essential tool to all the users to build a complex charts and graphs. If you'll talk about data, most of the time if we talk about data, Excel sheet comes into picture. And if Excel sheet comes into picture, you can't able to analyze that data, right? We have an Excel sheet, fine. We can apply some filters, we can apply some functions on the top of it. But when it comes to just change whole data into a dashboard, into a beautiful graphs, visualizations, then in that case, you need to learn some important reporting tools in here, okay? And for that, Tableau will gonna help you. So that's why it's a very user friendly. First of all, you don't need any technical background for that. I'm going to help you with very basics to advanced with no technical background. But what you need to do is you need to have a very consistent and a learning mindset to learn Tableau, especially Tableau as a reporting BI tool. So as you can see, Tableau tool is a very easy to use regularly, first of all, and it can make data a simple visualization. Like if we have data in proper Excel sheet or in CSV, XLSX format, we can easily convert that data into beautiful dashboards and reports. Because for the management, if we think about management point of view, management can't able to see or analyze the data through Excel sheets. They don't have time to invest their whole day to finding the data that which are the material giving me the maximum sales, which are the countries giving me the maximum sales, from which particular area I am getting the maximum revenue, maximum profit, and what are the number of countries I am giving the maximum discount. They don't have that much time. They just see the dashboards, and these dashboards we are going to make for them. And for that, you don't need any technical background. It's very, very easy to learn Tableau in here. And first of all, which is very important in here, is we can make or we can convert the data into dashboards and charts very easily. Fine. So that's the whole scenario why you should learn Tableau. And now, very important thing to learning Tableau and about the future of Tableau in here. If you know that Tableau is recently acquired by the Salesforce, Salesforce having a huge market capture as far as CRM softwares are concerned, customer relationship management. If we talk about customer relationship management, Salesforce have a great, fantastic market capture. And recently, in $15.7 billion approx, Salesforce acquired Tableau as a software for creating new enterprise tech force. If we talk about Tableau acquired by the Salesforce already have a huge market capture, already have a fantastic customer base. So you can think about the future of the Tableau as well. Whomever the companies, whomever the customers are already using Salesforce, now the Salesforce will pitch them to use Tableau as well. And you can see the Tableau future will be the fantastic ahead if it is acquired by the Salesforce in here. So Salesforce has wrapped its 15.7 billion acquisition from the Tableau software, creating a powerful force, fine, in a lucrative enterprise software world. Like Salesforce itself, a very strong software. Just think about it. It is acquired Tableau as well. And after acquisition of the Tableau, then most of the people, most of the managements, industries, countries, each and every market prefer to use Tableau as a BI tool. That make first of all Tableau ahead from other, analytics, business intelligence tools out there in a market. And this is also the one of the best reason why there is a very high demand as a Tableau developer, Tableau analyst in the market. Okay, and as I've already shared some screenshot of the career builder, Dice, LinkedIn about the job market, salary, and the market capture of Tableau. Now, very important thing in here, what are the top 10 main factors which is helpful in Tableau in here? Why to use Tableau as a BI tool? You have a question in mind, right? Like there are many BI tools available. I can use Excel as well. Okay, we can do analyzation on Excel, we can do filters, we can do a small analyzation on the top of Excel. But when it comes to reporting tools, when it comes to Tableau, they come up with a more advanced features. First of all, Tableau is a user-friendly software. User-friendly in the sense, a very fantastic user interface, the whole drag and drop features, so you don't need to code anything. There is no programming knowledge needed in here. Then it have a fantastic intuitive storytelling dashboards as well. It have a three main features. Either you can do reports, either you can make dashboards, either you can make the storytelling as well. Okay, so it has the feature of storytelling, then follows any data structure, any type of data structure you have in the CSV format, XLSX format, in the third party softwares as well. Okay, if your organization is using any third party vendor to store their data, so in that case you can integrate the data from the third party sources in the Tableau software and you can easily analyze that data. Then we have interactive data visualizations. That's the biggest beauty of the Tableau in here, that we can make a fantastic visualizations. Vast number of charts and visualizations opportunities we have in Tableau. More than 20 plus visuals we can make. Yeah, so that's why it is having a great interactive data visualization. One view for multiple data, like you can integrate multiple data, like from the data from each and every single department, we can just integrate the data, join the tables and start visualize. Okay, then we have seamless data connectivity. As I have already told you, seamless data connectivity in the sense data connectivity from the third party sources. Then we have interactive dashboards reporting, and then free of IT dependency, publishing online or offline. What does it mean? Like if we have make already the dashboards in here, fine, now we need to publish it somewhere to show to the management, to show to the other departments as well. So for that we need to going to publish our dashboards in online or offline mode, so that each and every individual person can access that. So for that as well, we have a very simple methodology in Tableau. Then we have strong security protocols. People, when it comes to data, the second thing which is comes in our mind is privacy, because data, as I have already told you, data is very important asset for any organization. If you know how to work on data, first of all, it makes you ahead. Second, if you make that data secure as well, then this is the best thing in that case. First of all, start learning how you can work on the data, how you can convert the data into beautiful dashboards and reports for the management and for the decision making point of view. Then make sure that all the dashboards, reports and the data is secure. And this is not our motive, this is the Tableau motive in here. And this particular tool is responsible to make our data secured. Then very important stuff in here, which is what are the tools, what are the more products we have in Tableau when it comes to Tableau, right? So we have Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, Tableau Online, Server, and then we have Reader. So all of these are the products, different products of Tableau. As per the requirement of organization, as per the requirement of client, we can choose these Tableau products. First of all, you need to understand one thing: as the user interface, as the mechanism, as the working, all of these products are same. But when it comes to security, when it comes to sharing the data from third party sources, privacy protocols is different in all these softwares or all these products, we can say. Like if we talk about Tableau Public in here, Tableau Public, as the name suggests, it's public software. Anyone in the world can access all the dashboards which is made on the top of Tableau Public, because it published all the dashboards online, so everyone can use or see these dashboards. So we can say it's having a less privacy, and moreover it's basically concentrate on the learning purpose. When you are first of all comfortable of using Tableau Public, how you can make reports and dashboards, you can switch over to the Tableau Desktop. All the organizations, or we can say most of the organizations, big organizations, using Tableau Desktop. Why is it so? Because it is more secure. Most of the functionalities are basically same from the Tableau Public, online. There is a same process. You don't need to understand different process to make reports and dashboards for all these products, Tableau Public, online, Server. No, all of them is the same process, same user interface, same functionality. But when it comes to sharing the data, when it comes to privacy, then there are some foundations. Desktop is fully secure, and then through the desktop we can just send our reports and dashboards to the Tableau server, so that from the online we can see the data. You need to understand one thing: in the organizations, each and every day data will change, each and every day data will update it. Why is it so? Because each and every day there are new customers, each and every day there are new vendors, there are new materials. If there are new customers, vendors, materials, then the data will also be updated, right? And if the data will update it, then the dashboard will also update it. And if the dashboard is updated, then the Tableau server comes into picture, where we are making the full dynamic dashboards. Dynamic dashboards in the sense they are real life dashboards, where if the data is changing, if there are increase in the sales in the whole day, then at the end of the day in the Tableau server we have the dashboards for the management, and the sales is gonna increase in that dashboard as well. So what I'm trying to say in here, with the data, we are going to just change our reports and dashboards dynamically. You don't need to make again and again dashboards and reports each and every time when data will update. No. We are going to make, or we are going to learn dashboards and reports making through Tableau once, then we need to maintain it. then we need to see the data is fetching proper or not, and all of these stuff we're going to learn in throughout this Tableau course. So these are the basic products of the Tableau in here. Now let's talk about the small Tableau interface. If we talk about Tableau so much, so how this Tableau looks like. So as you can see, this is the small interface of the Tableau where we have dimensions and measures. So as you can see in dimensions and measures, we have imported the data. As of now, just have a scenario in your mind that we have a data of any global stores or e-commerce platform. So in e-commerce platform, what can be the data in your hand? Like as in you have a data of customer, order, location, country, state, profit, discount, quantity, sales. So these are the main rows or columns we can say on that particular data. So in dimensions, we have all the data which is comes like in the string format. String in the sense they have a data which is regarding customer name, country, locations, any geographical locations, order date and all. And when it comes to measures have all the numeric values where we can analyze data like sales, profit, discount. Okay, all the numeric values comes under their measures in here. And we have the whole section which is dimensions. Then we have this mark section, as you can see in between. Here we have colors, size, text, detail, tooltip. So throughout the course, we're going to learn about that, how you can import the data in Tableau, then how you can make the fantastic visuals in Tableau. And this is the worksheet in here where we are going to make visualizations. Like simply what we are going to do, we're going to just drag and drop this customer name in rows and in profit in column section. And then what we have in here, we have the customer and what are the profits we are getting from the each and every single customer. So that's how we're going to make the visualizations, fantastic visualizations using the Tableau and using the past data available we have. Here, this is the top is the menu bar. Second bar is the toolbar icon in here where you can see most of the save related options, back and standard fit with related options in here. And you can see we have data. And then we have analytics option as well. In analytics, we have very good options like for forecasting. What if you have a data, but you need to predict something for your organization? Like for an instance, in a past 3 or 4 years, the sale is 5 million. Now you can have a task in upcoming 2 years, what can be the sales? So for that, you need to do prediction. And for prediction as well, we have a very simple tool in the Tableau. You don't need to learn any algorithm for that. They have a already predefined algorithm. You just need to learn the methodology, how you can do predictions on a top of past data available. And that methodology I am going to tell you in throughout the course. Okay, so this is the very small interface of the Tableau in here. And now this is the responsive dashboard. When we talk about responsive is the dashboard which can be run on any device. When it comes to mobile, when it comes to laptop, PCs, any device, these dashboards are fully responsive. As you can see, this is the sample dashboard. Yeah, income by region. Yeah, and these are some of the, these are called the tree maps. These are called the bar graphs. And we are going to learn all of them. We are going to learn that how we can make these sort of dashboards even more interesting in that, even more attractive than that, even having more filters, visualizations, and we are going to make it more dynamic. And the best part is, most of the time management or we don't have laptop. Fine. So the beauty is we can also take all the dashboards. We can also see what is the changing in our sales, profits, discount through our mobile phones as well. So even if you are eating, even if you are doing, any your learning, gymming, anything, you have a phone in your hand, right? And if you have a phone in your hand, you will see that about your organization status. And if it is that much flexible, then why not organization will gonna use it? why not organization will gonna take benefit of the same? If it's so flexible, if it's so responsive, if we are making very interactive dashboards and reports, then why not to use the Tableau software in the organizations, right? So these are the things, and these are the dashboard sample how we can make a dashboard responsive, and responsive in a sense which can be run on any devices, multiple devices out there. Fine. So this is just the sample dashboard that we are going to learn in all over the course in here. Now, what are the top 5 reasons? We're gonna collaborate of all our discussions into top 5 main points in here. Why Tableau is leading the business intelligence industry. Business intelligence in the sense we are going to make intelligent decisions for our business. Intelligent decisions for our business with the help of what? With the help of data. And that data, you are the person will going to convert the data into meaningful information through this Tableau software. Right? So as you can see, these are the top 5 main points: quick and interactive visualizations, easy to use, handles copious amounts of data. When it comes to data, like each and every organization have ample amount of data, millions of data. When it comes to other reporting tools, most of the time when we import ample amount of data, like bulk of data, they start scrambling, or they start hanging a bit. If we talk about Excel as well, if you import millions of data in Excel, definitely it will not work. It have a basic capacity to handle a data, the basic capacity to handle number of rows in here. But when it comes to Tableau, it is a software which can handle ample amount of data in here. It is a mobile friendly dashboard. As I have already told you, with the help of Tableau, we can make dashboards which is fully responsive, which is mobile friendly, and integrates with the scripting languages as well to make it more dynamic, to make it more functional. We're going to integrate with the other languages as well. So Tableau have full flexibility when it comes to visualizations, when it comes to easy to use, when it comes to amount of data, mobile friendly, and integration with the other languages as well. That's why I'm telling you all in here that Tableau, to learning Tableau, first of all, there is no technical background you need. Fine, you just need a learning attitude, consistency, a good communication skills. If you are going to make dashboards and reports, then you need to present that dashboard and reports in the front of management as well. You need to explain that these are the things I have done. And with the course, with the whole time duration of the course, you will learn all these skills gradually. Okay, so these are the top 5 main points as far as Tableau as a business intelligence tool is concerned. Now let's talk about what are the 6 weeks course curriculum I have designed for you all. Okay, as per my experience, as per my reporting experience in here, I have designed a fantastic course curriculum for you all, for right basics to advanced. So you didn't need to worry about the background knowledge or any academic knowledge. Okay, if you have a gap between the jobs and your education as well, no need to worry about it. So as you can see, in week 1, we're going to discuss about business intelligence a bit, and introduction to Tableau as well, tools and building blocks, Tableau public versus desktop, and what is the workflow of Tableau. As you can see in here, as of now, I discussed a very, we can say that 5 to 10% of information regarding Tableau. But once you enrolled, you will see that how many, at what extent we can learn Tableau here, at what extent we can work on the data. You will open your mindset. You all can open your mindset. Okay, these are the things we can do on the top of data. These are the decisions we can take through the data. Most of the big organizations are taking their business growth related decisions based on the data only, as per their past sales, as per their past countries, whomever they are getting the maximum sales, they are predicting, they are taking the future decision based on the data. For that, you need to open your mindset first of all for learning, and first of all to work on a data and the softwares like Tableau. Then in week 2 we're going to connect with the different data sources. We're going to learn about what are the visualizations we can make, how are the visualizations of how we can convert the visualization into animated visuals. Then we'll talk about sets and parameters. Then we'll talk about, in week 3 we're going to talk about prediction, clustering, trend lines, what are the functions available in Tableau, what are the charts, KPIs and all. And in week 4 we're going to jump over to dashboards, layouts, formatting, how we can make stories in Tableau. And I am going to introduce with a Tableau server as well, so that you can make the very fantastic dynamic dashboards. Then I'm going to tell you what is the whole Tableau project life cycle. If you have enrolled for the course, you have learned all the things, then the very basic and important thing come into picture, how you will work on the project. If you have a Tableau project, I will going to discuss the whole life cycle, how the live project work in Tableau, the whole technical documentation and the real life based scenarios. Then I am going to help you with the resume preparation as well, vendor interview preparation. As you know, Dev sir already talked about the 6 pillars of the Guru schools. So this is one of the pillar, which is instructor led training. Then you will be certified. Then you will have the resume preparation sessions in your hand. Then we have a vendor interview preparation, client interview. Then after your placement, we're going to give you the project support as well. So these are the things I'm gonna discuss. I wanna discuss regarding the Tableau. At last, I just wanna say that it's a fantastic tool for learning. It's a fantastic tool as far as the business intelligence and data analytics are concerned. I hope that you all have a mindset that what is the importance of data first of all. Second, what is the importance of reporting tools like Tableau. Third, the Tableau is a very big reporting tool in here, which is recently acquired by the Salesforce as well. Fourth, how you can make the responsive dashboards on a top of Tableau. Fifth, what are the top 5 things you need to learn as far as Tableau BI tool is concerned, and have a look to the 6 weeks course curriculum as well, which is basically designed for all of you out there as per your mindset, as per your background knowledge and academic knowledge. Thank you so much, guys. Now it's a time to FAQs in here. Dev sir, please continue with the
Aditi, very good job, very good presentation. The flow was very good, and you covered at an overview level most of these things. These are the FAQs. Most of you can read on my screen. This is what typically people ask us. Some of these questions might have come to your mind when the training starts. First question, this is introductory session. We take about a week or 10 days. Moment we have at least 4 students, we start the training batch. Our ideal team size is about 10 students. So, and it's generally we try to seek gender inclusion within the trainings also. Reason being, people comfort level and all. So there'll be ideally 2 trainers. Aditi is our lead trainer, and there's one more person. Second question, along with the training, will you guide help towards actual certification? People should be asking along with the training, can you help me get a job? The question number 3 is more important than question number 2, right? Because only training and only certification will not help you. What will help you is, show me the money, right? Where is the 6 figure? So answer is whatever it takes, right? Whatever it takes for you to get a job, to make money, we are with you, right? Consider us, you make money, then only we make money. If you don't make money, we lose money, right? So I'm more eager to help you train, to help you get certification, to help you get a job. Okay, so answer is yes, we'll help you, guide you, shadow you to ensure you get certification. Will you help us towards market our resume and get a job? Well, we are a full service staffing project services company. We have our own internal projects. From time to time, we get projects between Tableau, sometimes Click, sometimes Power BI. So depending on what project we have, we just basically show you and expose you to those live projects. And we already are vendor with Fortune 5000 clients, as well as we work with all major tier 1 preferred agencies. So very easy to get you a job. That's what we do. And that's where those who are looking to have a career must engage with Guru Schools. We are not here for mere training, feel good factor, rob you of your money. No. Will you also help us towards giving project support? Yes, because only getting you hook or crook, get a job. We don't want you to behave like a suicide bomber, dropping the project and causing an inconvenience to the client, to all of us. So basically the initial mentoring, the cajoling happens with the help of the trainer till you settle down. 2 months, 3 months, 4 months it takes. And we are there to make sure the initial 4-5 months you settle down, and then you are on your own. Okay. How many trainers you have giving training, project support? Well, as I said, gender inclusion. So ideally 2 trainers we keep. Sometimes we have a 3rd and the 4th. These are like backup trainers because we also have projects. So people are busy on the projects also. We have offshore team, which is what they do. Are these going to be virtual sessions? Are these sessions recorded? Yes, virtual sessions like Zoom, yes, recorded in Zoom, converted link on YouTube, shared with the people who have enrolled. So those who enroll, they will have access to those YouTube links. If you miss, you can always do catching up. Weekends can be again repeat session. Where will there be additional practice sessions, preparatory sessions for certification? Not only certification, for training, certification, vendor interview preparation, client interview preparation. There'll be extra sessions. Like in general, we take about 26 to 30 extra sessions, which is not part of this, towards your resume building, vendor interview preparation, client interview preparation. That's over and above that. That's like another 6 weeks efforts goes in. Because as I said, if I don't place you, I lose money on you, right? Because I'm giving money to trainers, resume preparation skills, vendor interview, again, we're spending money, client interview, you're spending money. So if you don't get a job after all these things, then basically it's a monetary loss for us. Will you help us towards preparing for the interview and find a job? Again, these are FAQs, so some of you may find it redundant, but I have to read it. Yes. If you don't get a job, we lose money. So it's in my interest to get you a job like yesterday. Does it require any programming experience, mandatory requirement? No. Any reporting tools, right? That's the best thing. If I would be you, if I would be in your shoes, I would learn a visualization reporting analyst, because it doesn't require much programming. All it requires is common sense, and most of us have enough of it, and that's going to help you get a job. So no heavy duty programming. All it requires is common sense, and all it requires is basically good interaction skills with the clients, with the users. So if you think you are social, if you think you can talk to people, you understand English, comprehend, and based on that, drag and drop, creating reports, and having that knack for how the look and feel of that report is, you're all good. Okay, easy to get in, easy to make 6-figure. Can we get a remote working job? Well, you must thank China for that. Because of COVID-19 pandemic, all jobs are remote. So answer is yes. How long? I don't know. But that's easy way to slide in and teeth in. And the way the China and the COVID-19 have taught us, everything can be done remote. So the way I see the employment job market will be a blended working market, meaning on-site and off-site or remote working. There are many training institutes charging a lot of money for training. Why this is free? Well, it is free. It is free. Take it. If you want to pay us money, we will not say no. But it's our way of basically investing in people. Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. Helping people is divine. We have built and sold companies in the last 2 decades, right? So been there, done that. It's our humble effort to help struggling people. Charging $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for mere training scares people off, and that's where people are unemployed. Especially the opposite gender, the ladies. We get a lot of female enrollment for anytime there is a reporting class, anytime there is a BA Scrum class, anytime there is a testing class. So it's very popular amongst ladies. And because they're homemaker or because they're at home, they can't spend $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. So that's where we have devised this structure, saying, okay, if you want to work with me, this is free. It's not going to cost you a penny, because otherwise for training they have to spend $3,000, $4,000. Resume preparation $500, $750. For vendor interview another $500. For client interview another $2,000. For monthly support they're spending $1,000 for the next 5-6 months. If you add together, that's like $7,000-$8,000 they're spending, and that scares them off. And that's where nobody learns. They would rather stay unemployed, and that's not nice, right? And that's our art of giving and investing in people. Will we get our deposit back once we get a job through Guru Schools? Yes. For every start of the course, we take $500 refundable deposit. That deposit is refunded to you once you complete your course and work through us on our project for at least 3 months. Okay. So if you're looking to get a job, if you're looking to get a career, you're 100% getting a deposit back. If you're coming for a kiddie party, to show your parents, to show your spouse you're doing something, please don't join us. Okay. If you're looking to make a career, because otherwise I'll lose money on you. I spend at least $2,800 to $3,000 on you. So if you can't work, I lose that $2,000, $2,500 on you. So if you're career focused, if you want a job, you're welcome, and we want you. These are some of the FAQs. Let's take any questions you guys may have. Anybody has any questions? If you have any questions, please ask us now. Copy of this session, recorded copy, will be given to you by tomorrow. Nobody has any questions? Okay, I guess we covered it all. Thank you all for investing your time, joining session. Aditi, can you show the contact us slide, please? The second last slide. Yeah. This is our contact us. So if you have any inquiries, training related inquiries at guruschools.com or training@guruschools.com, you're more than happy to drop us an email. We'll be more than happy to answer it to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, LinkedIn channel, Facebook group, and you can see all our videos there. Thank you all, and all of you have a great day ahead. Thanks, Aditi.
Thanks a lot.